Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new video. So today's video is going to be another grocery haul and meal plan. I think in the last grocery haul I said I wasn't going to do these for a little while because we were having similar meals because we were on a bit of like not a health kick, but we were just trying to eat sort of a bit healthier, and I didn't want the sort of grocery hauls getting a bit repetitive. However, we've switched it up this week. We've got a few different meals and we've done quite a big shop, so I thought I would film it and share it with you guys because I know a lot of you like to watch my vlogs and when it comes to like grocery hauls and things, just to get some kind of meal ideas and for some like cheap slash healthy slash easy quick meals for a family of 3. If you do enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you. But what we'll do, as always, I'll show you everything that I bought at the supermarket today. Today our shop was from Liddles and Sainsbury's, where we always shop. We tend to get the majority of it from Liddles and then we top up at Sainsbury's for meat and branded items. But yeah, I'll show you everything we bought first of all, and then I'll come back and tell you the meal plan for the week. Okay, so starting over here then with some like hygiene slash like cleaning bits. So up the back here then I've got a family pack of toilet roll. You get 24 rolls in here. This is from Liddles, really great quality. It's $5.99 and it just lasts forever. Down here we've got a pack of the Loopy Loo nappy pants from Lidl. We swear by these, we love them. We're going to use them for Finley as well, I think, as a side with Pampers, obviously when he's first born, in case he has sensitive skin. But these are great for George. We are currently trying to potty train George. It's going quite well, but we still obviously need to have these at some point. Excuse my nails because I had them done for a baby shower and they're looking terrible, so I kind of need to redo them. But no, it's great to have those around in case we do have any accidents. Got a couple of packs of wipes. So these again are the Liddles Loopy Loo own range. These are the extra sensitive new baby ones. We use them for George. We use them for wiping his face. They are great. I needed to get a new hand wash to sort of put into my like soap dispenser that I already have in the bathroom. So this is just the Simply Hand Wash Antibacterial. I don't think it has any kind of scent or smell particularly, but I did need to get a new one to pop in the dispenser upstairs. Up here then I have basically got some Radox. They didn't have any Radox in the shop. This was Lidl's own brand. It's quite a bit cheaper. I'm not sure how well it's going to do, but it does say it's a muscle ease herbal bath soap, which is pretty much what Radox is, but it was like 3/4 of the price, and that was all they had, so picked that up. Got a Colgate Triple Action toothpaste, and I also got some paracetamol as well. And then over here I've just got, I think these are like the Lidl's like own version, not rip-off, but like Lidl's own version of Alberto Balsam. We use both brands and they work absolutely fine for our hair. I'm not like a big beauty sort of guru when it comes to washing like my hair and, you know, makeup, that kind of thing. So I'm happy with whatever they have on offer. So we just picked it up in the apple scent, and we got some shampoo and some conditioner. Moving over here then, so firstly picked up this from Sainsbury's. I'm gonna whisper because little man is just outside the door, but it is his birthday in a month's time, and we are just sort of picking things up as and when we see them. George, if you don't know, is obsessed with dinosaurs. He loves them, obsessed with volcanoes as well, and we saw this really lovely book called 10 Minutes to Bed, Little Dinosaur, and yeah, it just looks really lovely and I can't wait for him to read it, and I think he'll love reading that before bed. And it was only £4 in Sainsbury's, so I picked that up. As always then, picked up a large crate of Diet Coke. There's 24 cans in here. That will last us probably now for like the next 2 to 3 weeks between us all. I say between us all. It's mainly my partner that drinks it. I might have the odd can now and then, and obviously George doesn't have any. But it will last quite a long time. So we do sort of stock up. So it's cheaper to buy the bigger pack than to keep buying smaller packs all the time. Moving over to some snacks then. So some crisps first. I am obsessed with these Cheetos Puffs. These are the Flamin' Hot. You get 6 packs, they're £1 in Sainsbury's, and I just can't stop eating them. I don't know if it's a pregnancy craving or what it is, but I'm obsessed. I picked up these basically mini cheddars. This is Lidl's own version of the mini cheese bakes from Liddles. And then I also got a pack of these Thai sweet chili sensations. I thought it'd be nice to maybe have like a bowl in the evening or something with some dip or some hummus or something. So I picked up those, as again, they were only £1 in Liddles. A few then sweet treats. So saw these in Liddles. These are the Flips milk chocolate pretzels. If you haven't had these, go to Liddles. They're currently £1 and they are amazing. I think in different like other shops, like sort of bigger branded supermarkets like Sainsbury's, Tesco's, they have different flavours. But these are our favourite and they're really good. So if you haven't tried them, I definitely recommend them. Over here, we basically got some jammy Dodgers, Liddle's own version. And then I also found these. These are the Dairy Milk little bars. They were only £1. You get 6 bars in here. And I just thought it'd be a nice treat just to have in the cupboard for George. And so I picked those up. And then also I saw these. These were only £1 as well. So I got some Kit Kat Chunkies, which again, I don't know if it's pregnancy cravings or what it is, but they were just calling my name. Moving over to cupboard items then. So up the back here then, I've got 12 of the old El Paso taco shells, as we are having tacos one day this week. Up the back here, I've just got some plain flour. I think it's really handy just to have in the cupboard if we decide to make pancakes or if we want to make like a pasta sauce. It's just handy to have some kind of flour in the cupboard at some point. And we've got some of the Sainsbury's own fine egg noodles. We've also got some of the duo chocolate flavour spread. We picked this up like a month ago, I think, in Sainsbury's, and George has been loving it. And it's so much cheaper than buying Nutella and pretty much tastes exactly the same. And it looks so much more fun as well. So I got a new one of those to go and toast in the mornings for breakfast. Over here then, I've got free range of 6 medium eggs, got 10 chicken stock cubes, and then also picked up some gravy. This is the 25% less salt Abisto gravy granules. And over here, some like seasonings and bits then. So up here, this is Sainsbury's new own range. It's called Inspired to Cook. I can't find any of like the branded versions. So we're going to give these a try. This was 50p. This is the shepherd's pie recipe mix. So I'll give that a try and let you know how it goes. And this is the Old El Paso taco seasoning. As like I say, we're having tacos one day this week. And then also got, as always, a couple of packs of chicken soup noodles, as they're really quick and easy to have in the cupboard for lunch, especially with working from home. They're just really easy to just chuck in the pan. Just picked up a bag of penne pasta because I love having a bag of penne pasta in the cupboard because I'm just obsessed with pasta. My little boy's just calling me, so I'm just going to go and check what he wants and I'll be right back. Okay, he just wanted a snack. So moving on then to some like bread items. You can see clearly what the snack was that he wanted because they've just been opened. But I've got 8 plain tortilla wraps. They are from Liddles. Here then we've got 12 toasting waffles. George is obsessed with these. They're great as a snack. They can be handy for breakfast. And they're really cheap, so picked those up. Also, it is my birthday coming up this week and I wanted to have like a few like picky bits for breakfast. So I've got 8 milk chocolate chip brioche rolls. Also got some pain au chocolat, so we can obviously heat these up. At the back I've got some choco rice because I love cereal, and also got a fresh loaf of bread as well. And moving over to the fridge items then. So up the back here then I've got some of the 5% beef mince. This is 3 packs here for 3 different meals that we're having next week. Also got some of Sainsbury's own 2 British chicken Kievs, and then also, oh that shouldn't be there, also here then I've also got some chicken breast fillets again for a meal that we're having this week. And with George being home a bit more because obviously it's coming up to half term, I picked up some bits for lunches as well. So up the back here then I've got some wafer thin cooked ham. I've got a block of British mature cheddar. I've got a pack of these pepperamis. They're not for George, they are for my partner, but they were in offer in Lidl. Down here I've also got 10 snack Lancashire sausage rolls for George. Hi. Bye. Bye. Okay, so back to the haul then. I can't remember where I was after that was, it scared me. So I've got one of these cheese and tomato pizzas from Liddles. We always add extra cheese onto it. They're just really handy to have in the cupboard if he's at home from nursery and he's saying he's hungry, or just something really quick and easy for dinner if we're going out or we need to be somewhere. So I've got one of those to put in the fridge. I've got some mozzarella because I love having this on couscous or on pasta. I got one of my dairy milk buttons yogurt. These have gone up to £1 now, and I would normally get myself a few for the week. I just couldn't justify spending £1 on that, so I just got the one. And then up here I've got some of the cheddar cheese mashed potato. I'm going to make my own mash, guys, for the shepherd's pie. But for the Kievs and stuff, I'm just going to use one of these, so don't judge me, don't come at me. And I've also got some British sour cream, and then also a large lot of British whole milk. Moving over to a few bits of veggie and fruity bits then. So I've got some of British white potatoes, I've got some red chilies, I've got some ginger, I've got some red onions, some apples and some frozen peas. And the only frozen bits I really got this week, obviously aside from the peas, are some chicken nuggets, which are really handy to have in the cupboard. Also got some sweet potato fries to go with one of the meals that we're having this week, and then also picked up a bag of 15 Yorkshire puddings. Okay, so that was everything then that I bought at the shop this week. I'm quickly going to run through what we're having for dinners for the rest of the week, and then I'm going to pop all of this away because I need to kind of get some of it in the fridge and get on with the rest of my day. So for dinners then this week, today is Saturday. So this evening now we're going to be having the tacos. So we've got the hard crispy taco shells, we've got some mince, I've got some salad in the fridge from the last weekly shop. So I'll probably have some salad on the side and maybe some rice as well. I have got some rice in the cupboard. So that'll be our dinner this evening. Tomorrow then is Sunday. Usually might have like a traditional roast on a Sunday, but I'm really fancying a shepherd's pie. So we're having shepherd's pie tomorrow night. I'm going to make my own mashed potato. If you've watched my food vlogs before, you'll know I hate making mash, and I always buy the pre-made stuff, which I have done this week for the Kievs and mash, because it's easier. But because you put the mash in the oven with the shepherd's pie, I feel like it's nicer when you make it yourself, so I'm going to attempt making it myself. So we're having shepherd's pie, Yorkshire puddings and peas then tomorrow for dinner. On Monday, it is my birthday, so you're watching this Sunday, so tomorrow is my birthday, and I believe we're going to go out for some food and just do something with family. Not really sure what the plan is, but we'll either have a takeaway or go for some food, but Monday is free for food. We're not really sure what we're doing yet. Tuesday then we're going to be having our famous burger wraps and sweet potato fries. Burger wraps are like my new favourite thing. So it's basically just mincemeat, cheese, mustard, ketchup in a wrap, and then you put it in like the George Foreman and grill it, and it goes really crispy and it's just so delicious. And we normally have it with like fresh sweet potato cubes. They didn't have any sweet potatoes at the shop, and I wasn't driving around the rest of town to find a sweet potato, so I picked up some sweet potato fries. They're just as good. We'll put them in the oven, bake them instead of frying them, so it's a little bit healthier. And that is what we're having on Tuesday. And then on Wednesday we are having the chicken ramen. We got the website, I linked it in a video before, but we got the recipe from the Wagamama's website. It's really simple, it's so quick and easy to make, and it's so delicious. So we're having that on the Wednesday for dinner. I'll link again the Wagamama recipe down below if you want to go check it out. But that is pretty much everything then that we are having for dinners for this week. I missed off one meal. I've been like talking about it as well, like literally this conversation. Thursday night we're having chicken Kievs, mashed potato and peas for dinner. So yeah, that will take us up to Thursday, and then Friday we'll probably, it's my last working day at Friday before maternity leave, so we might maybe get a takeaway as like a celebration, or buy something different from the shop, and then it'll be Saturday again in time to do the food shop again. But guys, obviously all those meals that we've had, they're all sort of really quick and easy to make. None of them take a huge amount of time or amount of effort to actually make. The ramen and like the shepherd's pie, they might seem like they take a little while, but they're so quick and easy to actually do. And it's all relatively affordable as well. The cheapest ingredients I've got there are pretty much from Sainsbury's and Liddles. Nothing has cost us an arm and leg at all, so they're really cheap and easy to make as well. And I don't think they're relatively unhealthy either. They're probably not the best meals, but we have sort of made healthier choices within them. So guys, I'm really grateful for you watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'm slowly building up a nice platform of subscribers, and I've had a few of you message me over on Instagram, which has been lovely because I love chatting with you all, and I've got some really exciting content coming up in regards to baby. So yeah, if you did enjoy, stick around. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely rest of your day. Take care, bye.